kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a cool menu frame layout using Android Studio. Alright guys, so basically I will be showing you how to create the beautiful menu layout dashboard. So first of all, let me show you a demo first. So let's open. Alright, so here you can see we have the activity here, and if we click on there you can see this is the beautiful view, and we can navigate to our fragments. Okay, so if I want to open this about, so you can see this about fragment is open, and if I click on here, so I think this is a very beautiful layout menu design. So in this video I am going to show you how to design something like that. Alright, so let's get started. So guys, first of all I want to show you the GitHub link. Okay, so this is the library. I will upload the link in the video description, and here you can see. So first of all we need to copy this Maven. Alright, and we need to go to our build.gradle and you need to paste it here. Okay, after that what you can need to do is you need to now copy the dependency. Alright, and let me close that. Okay, and let's paste it here. Okay, and after that the library will be successfully integrated into the project. Alright, and after that you need to have the activity main.xml, and you just need to copy the code. Okay, and you need to go to your activity main and you need to just paste it here. Alright, after that we first of all need to have the style. We need to design our own style. So for that you need to go to your style menu, and here you need first of all a no action bar style theme. Okay, app theme.no action bar. After that you can have this style action bar. Okay, these three styles are necessary for the application to work. Alright, after that you need to go to your Android manifest file, and here you need to select the app Android app theme as app theme.no action bar. Okay, and after that we need to have the drawable menu, this one. Okay, you just need to paste it inside your drawable folder. After that we need to have, okay, so here we can have some dimensions for, okay, so activity horizontal margin and vertical margin will be 16 dp both, and the fab margin will be 16 dp also, and title transparent will be 40 dp. Alright, so after that we need to have the attributes. Okay, so here you have this resources tag, and inside that you need to declare style label. Okay, so the name will be cool menu frame layout, so we will be using the frame layout. Alright, so after that we just need to go to resource, and we need to create new Android resource file, and it will be anim, and inside that we need to have the move out animation. So for that we need to use the translate tag here, and we need to set duration from y delta to y delta. Okay, then we need interpolated from x delta to x delta. Alright, so after that you need to go to your main activity, and here first of all you need to initialize your cool menu frame layout, and also you need to have a list of different fragments which you will be using, and also you will have a list of the title of the fragment. Alright, so after that you first of all you need to initialize alright, you need to initialize it, the cool menu frame layout. After that you need to have the string array for the title, and after that you just need to set the title. First of all you need to convert the arrays to list. Alright, and after that you need to just add the fragments, and after that you need a fragment pager adapter. So after that, inside your get item method you just need to return the fragment.get position, and also in the get count method you need to return the fragment.size. okay, so the number of fragments. And finally you just need to set the adapter. So basically that was it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And so basically you will be able to see this type of layout. I will upload the source code link in my video description, so you can download the source code. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.